You have been liking people's posts, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and you are not being rewarded for it. Now this platform is here to actually reward you for every like and every task you do on its platform. Now all you just have to do is to follow instructions of this particular platform. When you're asked to actually like a post and provide screenshots, you just have to do exactly as they said, and you're going to be rewarded for every task you completed right on this platform. Now I'm going to be showing you how this platform works. This platform has been in existence for long. I'm just going to be directing you on what you need to know before you can get started on this platform. Now if you're actually coming to this channel for the first time, this is actually Cash Value, and what we do right on this platform is to show you experience of what I've actually tested and bring this to your own notice so you can actually take advantage of it. Now in exchange, all we ask from you is to please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever valuable content like this is being posted right in this channel. Now if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you what you need to do to maximize your earnings while using this platform. So now guys, this platform is paying. Yes, you can actually see I have 2,000 naira on my account. It's actually paying, but this is not a platform that is get rich quick scheme. So now look at my dashboard right now. I have what is called the job deposit withdraw transaction, take surveys, take offers, and likes of others. Now on this platform there are so many things you can do that can earn you every single day. Now when you come down to job right here, you can actually see that you can create a job right on this platform and people will actually perform that job and you're going to pay them. Now you're actually coming into this platform for you to earn. When you come down to apply jobs, you can actually see the jobs I was able to do right on this platform. For the amount of money I was able to make right on this platform, you can actually see as little as they may be, they are quickly approved and they can actually accumulate enough for you. So you can actually see 15 naira and the likes of others. Now let me go ahead showing you what you need to do on this platform. When you come down to jobs right here, you actually see that there are all categories of jobs right on this platform. Now you can actually see the Facebook comments, the Facebook follows, Instagram, and the likes of other social media platforms. Now once you go ahead clicking on all categories, you're going to be seeing what you can actually accumulate for yourself. Now you can actually see that you can get 35 naira right on this platform. That is how easy this platform is. You just follow the instructions of what you are supposed to do and you're going to be getting the income for that particular tax. Now we have a tax of 10 naira. You might say this is actually small, but imagine you're doing this for lots of tax. You should know how much you're accumulating for yourself. Even if it's 500 naira in a day, you should know how much you're making. Now you can actually see 30 naira for this particular tax. You can actually see there are lots of jobs offers right on this platform. Anyone you actually want to go for, this is what you just need to do, is to click on apply and it's going to direct you over to the job description. Now this job description is going to tell you what you need to do, go through it and perform this task. So that is how easy this platform is. Okay, now I'm going over to my dashboard to place a withdrawal of what I have on my account. Now when you come right to this platform, you can actually see that I've been able to withdraw a total of 22,000 naira. Now I'm going ahead to withdraw what I have on my account, so I'm just going over to withdraw and I'm going to withdraw right now. Okay, withdraw now, and it's going to bring me over to this interface. Now I'm going to select this affiliate wallet and I'm going to select bank transfer, and I'm going to insert the amount I want to withdraw, which is 2,000 naira. Now you can actually see I'll be getting the actual amount of 2,000 naira, so I'm going to click on submit. So once I click on submit, it's going to direct me over to the next interface right now. So we have to close this. Okay, so let's close this and I'm going to be brought into this interface right here. Name of bank in full. Okay, so right now the name of bank is Opay and the bank name is actually my name. So I'm going to input my name right here. I'm going to input my name right here just to place a withdrawal on my account. Okay, so this is what you just need to do. Put in your name. I'm putting your bank account number right here and I'm going to click on submit. So I'm going to be waiting for the approval of this withdrawal. As you can see, withdrawal request has been sent successfully. So the withdrawal normally takes within 24 hours. You can actually see that withdrawal request submitted successfully. So in less than 24 hours, I'll be getting my credited amount into my bank account. Now you can actually see the details of this transaction as it's with pending. So these are my previous withdrawals on this platform: 13,000 naira, 1,000 naira, and the likes of others. You can actually see the withdrawals I've been able to make right on this platform. So this is a legit platform which you can start today. But know that when you want to register on this platform, we ask to pay a one-time fee for you to get access to this platform. So what you just need to do is to use the link below the description of this platform right now. You can actually find the link on the pinned comment section. Come down to where it says register, come right here and input your username, put in your email address, select your country right here, Nigeria or any country, put in your mobile number, select your country code before putting your mobile number, put in a password, confirm your password, make sure it's a password you can remember, and you're going to be seeing my referral code right here. Leave it that way so you can actually get a bonus when you sign in. Then click I am not a robot, then click on register. Then your account will be created right on this platform. Then you can start going ahead using this platform to start doing some simple micro job tasks to earn every single day for yourself. So that is how you can actually start this platform. And so right now, what you actually need to do on this platform that some persons are not actually telling you about is that once you go ahead affiliating this particular platform, that is when you use your referral link to share with your friends or families, and they actually sign into this platform and paying the one-time fee into this platform, you're going to be getting a bonus of 1,000 naira on your account, which you can place a withdrawal with that. Okay, so the minimum withdrawal on this platform is actually 1,000 naira. So once you actually meet the minimum withdrawal right on this platform, you can go ahead to place withdrawal on this platform, and the withdrawal method is very swift, straight to your bank account. And so that is all you need to know about this platform. Take note that whenever you invite any individuals to this platform, you will be getting a commission instantly into your account. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is advisable to join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. See you on my next video and keep winning.